we have given fractional equation. Let me copy this. We have x over 20 is equal 1 over 5. So because we have on the left side fraction and on the right side we have fractions, so we can treat this equation like proportion. Unknown is x. To get rid of this proportion, we have to multiply denominator times numerator and numerator times denominator. So we will have x times 5. This is equal 20 times 1. So x times 5 is 5x. We always write the number first. This is equal 20 times 1 is 20. Now, on the left side we have multiplication. To find unknown x, we will divide both sides by 5. So now 5 and 5 we can reduce, and 20 divided by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we have that x is equal 4 over 1. So this is 4. We solved our equation. Now we have to check if this is correct solution. How we check? We have to copy our original equation and we have to substitute unknown x by 4. So we have 4 over 20 is equal, we have to check if it's equal 1 over 5. 4 over 20. So we can reduce. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So what we have? We have that on the left side 1 over 5 is equal, of course, 1 over 5. The left side is equal to the right side. It means that x equals 4 is solution to our fractional equation. This is my solution.